This entire Calabar controversy throws up another important point of debate that is not being dealt with properly. But don't worry, the Maverick is here to rescue the rhetoric. This vexed issue of the treatment of star athletes in the high school system, there is this popular notion abound that, a la the cliche, that all men, and I assume all women, are created equal, and therefore no student in the high school system should be treated any differently from another. That is called utopic and idealistic rhetoric with no relation to reality. The very idea that no student should be treated differently from another student in the school system is even more ridiculous than normal. What I'm telling me and you say is that the A student who is averaging 99% should be treated the same as the time waster who is averaging 20%. The champ star who can run 100 meters in 10.2 seconds and brings glory to the school must be treated the same way as the miscreant, delinquent, troublemaker who is an embarrassment to the entire school community. There should be no reward or privileges for hard work, brilliance, and achievements because all students should be treated equal. You all see how stupid, naive, hypocritical, and impractical these cliches can be. The A student, the D student, the genius, the track star, the football star, the troublemaker, and the time waster in the school system should all be treated the same exact way. People, who don't think to yourself, think.